Make sure you guys have a good time. So you're all set to go. All right? Thank you for coming. No, absolutely.
Oh, almost got them feet.
Way to go, Frankie. You know, we got to give them a little few views they can use now, E.
Right.
Show them it's something different than the projects.
Right.
And poverty. We amongst the elite. With our morals and principles intact.
That's right.
No fuddy-duddy business. We amongst the elite, ain't we?
100%.
Huh.
100%. That's because we elite.
You did. I just wanted to hear it. While we giving them some views they can use.
Views they can use.
It's bigger than the projects. We in the projects now.
What music requests we got? Y'all want some old pot? You want some of that new young nigga shit?
Either way, we got the OGs.
Or we can put some. Hey Alexa, play some JoJo Capone.
Say less.